Damn, these people fool me and I missed it. Supposed to kill it, but instead I broke it. I lost one chance, I came to reclaim it back. Now shut the fuck up before you get snapped. All these fake ass people talking crap, hollering at me, waiting me to holler back. But the only way I'll talk to you is through rap. Control myself before I snap. You can try and push me until I fall, but the only way I leave is when God calls. You can test my limits, but just know I'll kill it. This isn't just a game, it's a way of living. These words, rhymes, beats and lines, spitting so smooth, I swear it's a crime. Like MLK said, I always had a dream. It's brought me to my knees and made me wanna scream. But even now, I've yet to let it go. Cause the day I do, my life won't have a flow. There will never be a day I turn my back on rap. It's brought me who I am, I regained myself back. I went from pressing on the brakes to pressing on the gas. Not meant to live slow, I'm meant to live fast. I was gonna take a break, but I got a fortune to make. God's got a plan for me, it set me free. My empire, no room for fakes and liars. No one said it was gonna be easy, but how long till I hustle? Like my man Weezy, nights in the basement spitting out these rhymes, pretending I got an audience screaming for one more time. Don't do imperfection, I can get myself to fair. I keep getting back up, all these niggas do is bail. They looked at money, power and fame, but I do it for the hell of the game.
Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes.